E don read though. They say Biafra Liberation Army is engaging Nigeria Army as we are speaking now in Osumowu. No be small thing o. Everywhere don burst. Yeah, my wonderful people, we go find out how this thing take happen o. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome, my people. No be small thing. If you know say you never give the channel a follow, I don't know what you dey wait for. And if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, may you quickly go subscribe over there as e dey hot. Now here they bring and they come o. They say that Biafra Liberation Army is currently engaging Nigeria Army as we dey talk, and as e be now, according to what you talk for this video, say they don pack many dead Congo, many people wey don kpai. Say Nigeria Army don pack them waka, no be small thing. Okay, my people, you know how they do am now. We go bring you the video of who talk am o, may you hear am with your own ear as they take talk am. We go play the video for you and we'll come back and continue. Stay tuned and watch the video.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. The well-wishers of Biafra. Good morning to the lovers of freedom. Good morning to you, my beloved followers, my family. I thank God today because today is another day. I think it's yes, today is the last day of the week. It's Sabbath day, the holy day of Chukwu Kikabiyama. The enemies of the land have come once again to try their power or to try their best. Hope have bring his machinery to try their power. I'm sorry, I could have updated you since, but I was communicating with my ancestors, and this war started about 44 minutes ago. It started about few minutes, like 2 to 3 minutes to the hours of 7 o'clock. So, by that time, I was already in the spirit, so I cannot leave what I was doing to come and update the war. So until I finish what I was doing, because communicating with my ancestors is the most important things. Having finished communicating with them, I have to bring this to your notice, that the children of darkness have come to the land of Biafra to combat with the children of light. And as you all know that darkness can never comprehend light. It have never happened, it will never happen, and then it can never be in this our time. There is no way where darkness will overcome light, because wherever light shine, darkness disappear. The same way they will disappear today. I ask Hope, is it all you have? Hope, is it all you have? When the news break out that you bring 500 machinery in Imo State, I ask you, how many will come to Olu? How many will go to Okigwe? You never answer me that question. It is quite unfortunate that you just bring these innocent souls to come and die, because they must die. They have already been falling. Hope, call your men that you send to war and ask them how far. Just 46 minutes ago or 48 minutes ago, many of them have already fallen. Is it all you got? I've told you, stop throwing bomb to our territory. It will not do us any harm. Bomb na blum blow, bullet na water. You know the year word. And you, where then say, may you come fight, you know they ask question. Now, so the other person, now the other people go cry, say they no tell them, say, na vampire, na spirit, then won't come fight. You know they ask question. You know they ask question. You go just wake up, carry uniform, wear, carry gun, carry bullet, say you won't come kill people. Now we own the ground. This is the land of our ancestors. You don't know, they ask question. And when you don't they die like this, you will begin to cry. You never start to, you don't they cry. You don't they cry early hour like this. You never even reach 1 hour. You don't they cry. You don't they cry. Why? You never see anything. What is greater than you is bigger than you. And what is bigger than you is greater than you. Biafra is greater than Nigeria. And Biafra Liberation Army is bigger than whatever forces combined together in Nigeria. I've told you, when you come to the land of Biafra, you're only coming here to die. Take it or you leave it. That is why with full confidence, without fear of no favor, I will always tell you, come as many as you like. Because I know one thing for sure. You come in million, you will fall in million. You come in 1,000, you will fall in 1,000. You come in 100, you will fall in 100. And you come in 10, you will fall in 10. Is it when you come in unit, you will fall in unit. So, I have no doubt about that. No single doubt about that. Okay? I have no doubt about that. Today is 4th December. November, 4th November 2023. Saturday, the very last day, the day of Chukwugika Abiyama. The day he set aside for his children to respect and honor him is the day you come to wage war with us. Tell me why you must not die. Just tell me one reason why you must not die. And do you know what? Today is Eke, the very first market day in Igbo land. Eke will destroy all of you that step your foot into the land of Biafra in the name of to kill the children of the source. Because I will always tell you that he that come with bullet and gun must die with bullet and gun. You don't throw bomb. So far, you don't throw 5 bomb. I'm here to tell you the story. The last time you throw bomb, you end up destroying the innocent people home very far, about 4 poles away from our barrack. But you throw that bomb into our barrack. Several times I tell you that your bomb is a blum. Your bullet na water. You don't want to hear. You don't listen. In my here, or Konuche is the best. You don't have wisdom. You are very stupid and useless. You are an idiotic zoological people. Animal is even better than you because before animal cross road, you must look well before you cross. You are just a zombie. You wake up, you carry gun and bullet, one come fight with spirit. People where you know they see for face. They see us. That is why they always tell you, where don't collect this new contract. Ask question. You know they see us. Now we be the legion. People where you don't kill many years ago. We are back to take our rightful position. To claim what rightfully belongs to us. To possess and take over that thing will make you kill us many years ago. And there is nothing you can do about it. The more you try, the more you will fall. The harder you come, the harder you will fall. We go nowhere. Hope. Call your men and ask them how many where them be now. As I'm talking to you now, they are on stand pick. They are packing their dead body. As I am talking to you now, Hope, the people you send is not even up to 1 hour. They are crying, packing their dead body. I don't even sure that this war will last up to 2 hours. Because the way where today take their life is amazing. The ground have already beginning to suck their blood. Many. Today na Ekeo and today na Sabbath. That is what I want you to know. So you, where then they send to come and die, I want to give you advice. Before you come, ask question. Because if they paid me the way when they take the cry, if they paid me. Before you embark on the joining or mission, ask question. That is my own. Ask question. The people we are going to fight, who are them? What is their strength of war? You never defeated our forefather. What give you right? What give you that sense of belonging that you can defeat us? Upon few where they were, upon uncivilized that they were, they owed the entire war for 3 years. And at the end, you declare no victory, no banquet. Nobody win, nobody lose. For 3 years. And this was the war you think that it will only last for 3 days. Our forefather and our father hold you for good 3 years. Upon all your machinery, upon all your weapon, where they did not have anything then. They were not civilized like this then. But they owe you for 3 good years. What make you think that this civilized war, this their children where their eye don't tear, front and back, left and right, up and down, water and sea, what give you that sense that you can defeat them? I'm only asking you a question. I'm telling you that you can never, never, not today, not tomorrow, not forever, defeat us in this war. If we decide to hold this war for the next 1,000 years, you will die until the last man of you die. I've told you we are not in the hurry to.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched that video, no be smart, finally, Imo State government governor don't decide say this thing is not going to be peaceful way, that is going to be under bombardment. But the question is where this bombardment is going to lead us to. How many times? I'm asking the governors in Southeast. I'm asking you people this question. How many times have all those northern governors permit Nigeria government to go and bomb their people? You see, right that they will go and negotiate and know what their people want and find a way to solve it, because wetedike bodike mbochi ihe eji dike eme achọkwa dike. Na there for the position, for command. You are the governor, and you think that you are going to remain a governor forever, and a lie. From now to 7 years, nobody will know you there again. What happened to Will Obiano now hiding himself in America, and the people are in own people self, the racism as we they talk now. Some people know they even remain near them. Some if they see how they go take push up, as if they stagger now, they go for US. May you will be governor, think very well. Think very well. This money where you dey find, no go pack and go. One day, all of us go live for this particular world where they live and waka. So, if you people have refused to listen to your own people and find a solution to your own people and listen to your youth, if you finish killing your youth, when the vendors will come, when Funani will come to take over your land, I know that you will not like to lose that land. You'll be using this bloody money they are getting from the people to buy. As governors, you people are greedy. You will not like to lose the land. That time you'll be looking for who will fight for you. I know you will not like to risk your children to go and fight for you. But now you have a vibrant youth. If we have this kind of youth during our fathers try self to hold them for 3 years, 3 good years, and they are ready to hold them more. If it is not some things that come up, So if you finish killing your youth, when time come, I will know who is going to defend Igbo land. So since you people have taken money and choosing money over your land, sometimes I do wonder, if you travel to Europe, anybody that live in any part of European country or other country all over the world, look, this thing I'm telling you, if you are a person who maybe like to learn more about history, you will confirm this thing. They will take you a certain point, they will tell you that this statue is so person. He is one who served this community during this, during that, and he leave a legacy behind. And they will map out one day to respect him. It will go to certain place, they say this person leave a legacy. For example, like the one that I've been witnessing, they took me to a place where they showed me that these women during the war in their country, during the war in their country, when everything was collapsed, everything finished, the men die in war front, in the front, even some men are in front line. The women took upon themselves, start rebuilding their cities. Before the men will return, they see that their city don't even look as if they fight war in that place, and that is the reason why they respect women in that country. So our people do not, again, our people are used to this living a legacy, but this present of 60 70 we are seeing now, only legacy they are living is only to kill their people, to take money from their people, to kill their youth, to be a slave to the northerners. My people, when this thing will end, we no know. Abeg, make you share this video and also follow this channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates.